Hello lovelies, it's Ada's Recipes here. Thank you so much for stopping by. How are you guys doing today? Today I share with you how to make these yummy bread buns. So if you've been looking for how to make bread buns and you don't know how to, this video will walk you through. Like guys, you're going to love every bit of this video, so make sure you watch this video to the end as I walk you through on how I came up with these yummy bread buns. The first thing you want to do is to get a bowl, then you break in your eggs. Add some cooking oil, then you whisk. Add some sugar, salt, then you mix. Add water, cold water, mix like so. Then add your sifted flour. Make sure you sift your flour, then sift your baking powder like so. Then you mix. So at this point we're going to be using our hand to mix to get a dough. Then we're going to be adding water little at a time. Little at a time. Then you mix. Transfer to a flat surface and continue to knead until you get a soft, non-sticky dough. So this is what we want. As you guys can see, it's smooth and soft. So cut the dough, then roll out some parts of the dough. We are going to give this dough the shape we want these bread buns to have. As you guys can see, just flatten the dough, roll this way. Just watch closely. So you can now cut the dough. So this is what we have. As you guys can see, the shape of this dough. So in a dry pan, pour in some cooking oil. And leave it to heat up. Then you add the bread buns dough. So flip over to the other side. Guys, this bread buns is what you want to try, especially if you have kids. They're going to enjoy it. It was so yummy. So if you don't know how to make bread buns, just follow this process I just showed you and you have your yummy bread buns. So once it's golden brown, it means it's done. So once it's fully done, all you need to do is to transfer to a paper towel to drain excess oil. Guys, are you seeing bread buns? Like I said, this is a recipe you would want to try and your family is going to enjoy this recipe. You can pair it with any soft drink of choice. Even tea can go well. Are you seeing these bread buns? Guys, are you seeing how the inside looks like? So make sure you try it out. For the recipe measurement, check the description. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and as well follow this page for more yummy recipes. See you guys in my next one. Have a lovely day. Bye.